Are you missing the taste of homemade bari and looking where you can buy it? Look no further. In this video, I'll show you how easily you can make bari at home. With just a few simple steps, you can get the authentic taste and texture of homemade bari. I'll share 2 recipes, and my second recipe is what you must try at home. It's something you won't get in a shop. It's my aunt's recipe, and the aroma of it takes me back to my childhood days. Hi there, I'm Pritha and welcome back to my channel. Let's get started. We need black gram split for this recipe, which is urad ki dal or boiled dal. On the previous day, thoroughly wash and soak the lentil for 6 to 8 hours. Using a grinder, make a thick paste without using water, or use just a splash of it only if needed. Leave the paste in room temperature overnight to ferment. The next morning, take a small portion of the paste and add Hing and Nigella seeds to it and whisk it well. You need to whisk it till it feels lighter in hand. Use an electric whisker if you have it, that will make the job easy. You will need a cotton white cloth or a mat or any other surface that allows air to pass through easily. As you can see, I am using a bamboo tray here. Take a small portion and lay it like a shape of dumpling. Do not add salt as it can make the paste thin or watery. For the second recipe, add ginger and special masala powder to the paste and follow the same process. I'm using my aunt's masala recipe here. To me, it's the best combination of spices to make masala bori. It's flavorful and aromatic. On the previous day, keep the whole spices out in the sun till they become crispy. Take some bay leaves, some red whole chilies and celery seeds. Grind and store it in a airtight container. To ensure that the body is well dried, place it in the sun for 2 to 3 days. To prevent cracking, cover it with a light cloth when the sun is at its strongest. Enjoy your homemade bari and feel free to add your own variations to the recipe. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments if you would like to try this recipe. A good bari should feel lighter in hand. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.